What's good, guys? So I bought Crash 1000 Index at this point using this simple trading market approach, which I'll be sharing with you guys in today's video. This simple trading methodology and market approach, and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. Be able to catch these good buys up to this level. I've taken partial profit on this trade, and I'll have few positions joining up, which I'm holding on to, and my stop loss is above my entry. Yes, Crash Index don't respect stop losses, especially when you're on the buy side of the market. They barely respect stop losses, as well as the boom index, which doesn't respect stop losses when you're on the sell side. So how I identified this wonderful buy opportunity was that I went to a higher time frame, because you guys know that whenever you want to analyze the market, whenever you want to look after the opportunities, I start from a higher time frame. And this higher time frame can be the weekly time frame, it can be the monthly time frame, or the daily time frame, and analyze this index starting from the weekly time frame. But I think we should analyze from the monthly time frame right now. So on this monthly time frame, you can see that this index has been on a massive decline, checking this index highs, its highest highs at this point, which was at I think 13,000. I think 13,989, over 14,000 price value, which was this index highest highs, right? And it fell to as low as as low as 5,000 price value. You can see how many percent this index declined in value. On this index existence, we had an increase in price value before this index dropped to the downside. So this was the lows of this index on its existence. So this level got broken. A new low was formed here. A new low was formed at this point, which this index too broke below. This was the new low that was formed, that got taken out. The price came to retest it as a broken level of support or resistance. We got the sales a downside. So here we got this lows that was formed, this point where we got this major bullish reversal. We had about 1 2 3 4 5 months of bullish move on Crash 1000 Index. So after price came to retest this level, we got price dropped back to this lowest lows, this level, and I think the market wants to form a double bottom formation, which is the reason why I looked at for buy opportunities on these previous lows. I was like, if price can actually buy on this level as a support, we still have possibilities of getting the buys on this same level as a support. So I worked with this market view, I worked with this market formation, though this index on a downtrend, but I looked at for buy opportunities. I spotted a bullish structure on a lower time frame for my entries. So I went to the weekly time frame and spotted this low. We can see this level was clearly seen. It's clearly seen on this weekly time frame, right, which I identified here. And we have our downtrend, which is still in place. We have this downtrend on the weekly time frame, which I also identify. Always do well to spot the market trend, right? If the market is on a downtrend, identify it. If the market is in an uptrend, also spot it. So I identified this downtrend, guys, and this on this downtrend we got these lows here on the weekly time frame. We got these lows which price sold on previously. I think you can see this clearly on the daily time frame. But let's first mark out these levels. So we have another low here, which we'll be working with on a daily time frame. So this is how I actually analyzed this index. This is how I was able to spot this good buy opportunity. So seeing these lows here, these lows at this point, which was a level of support, getting price on this level as a support before price broke below it, right, came back to push to this level, testing this, turning this level of support to a resistance level. We got the sell to the downside, market pushed back to this zone. So this has been an existing level in the market. This has been a strong level in the market, which I identified. And I was like, if price can actually sell from this level as a level of resistance, we got these little sales. The first sales we got was actually bigger. The second sales was smaller. And I think this third approach of this level, we may not get this index sell from this zone. We may not get price sell from this level again. We could see a clear break of this level of resistance as well as our trend resistance level for the buy continuation, for the bullish reversal basically, right? We could get a break of trend here, and when we also look closely, we can see that we are getting this bullish formation, which is market creating higher lows formation and higher highs formation on this daily time frame, which is a very good structure basically. So I was able to identify this formation on this daily time frame. The weekly time frame trend says downtrend, but the time frame says uptrend, which you can see the market is forming here. So I'm anticipating on the break of this level of resistance, at least for price to get to this zone before I could close my swing position, because I have about 4 positions running up on these buys, right? I've closed out about 70% of my positions in good profit, and I'm still holding some of my positions running up, at least for price to get to this level, which I would set my TP on by the end of this video. And we have a level of resistance here which price could react to by the end of this video as well, this level of resistance. So I'll be setting my TP here, and my next TP would be at this point. So I'm holding this buy strongly, and how I was able to get these entries was that on this 4-hour time frame, I was able to identify a zone, this level that price has reacted on a couple of times. I always emphasize on spotting the market levels and zones, the market previous levels, those levels that price has reacted on a couple of times in the past. We have possibilities of seeing price react on those same levels again. So we have this level as a level that price has reacted on. First reaction here, support, right? We got market sell here as a resistance. First sell here, the second sell at this point, resistance. Third sells here, resistance. Always do well to identify these market zones, because analysis is basically, technical analysis is basically using past market moves, past market reactions to predict future market moves. So we got market react on this level as a resistance, right? So I was like, if this level can be, if price can respect this level a couple of times as a resistance, I could put this level to my advantage by looking out for a good trade opportunity on this level. So on the 1-hour time frame, I saw the market create, because I was looking out for buy opportunities. So I was on the look for bullish structures. So I got this inverted head and shoulders pattern formation on the left shoulder here, the head at this point, and the right shoulder basically at this zone. So on spotting this formation, I was very positive on these buys. I expected the buys basically. So I was like, if price can actually give a test of this zone, I'll be buying this index straight up. So on price selling to this level, I took my buys and I shared this buy signal to my VIP members. So you can see how good this index has played out, and it's still playing out. So I would exit here. I would close I have about 5 positions running up. So I would close about 2 positions on this level of resistance, because this level that we got price react on a couple of times, resistance here, resistance. So we have possibilities of same price also sell on this level as a resistance. So I would be exiting part of my positions here, part of my swing positions that I'm holding on at this point. So if price can actually break above this level, then we'll see the market heads to this top level, right? To this top level on the 4-hour time frame. So that's how I was able to take the buy trade on this index, and we could still get a bullish reversal. We have possibilities of seeing bullish reversal on this index if price can break past this level of resistance we got here, this resistance level we got at this point. Then we could get a retest of it, a break and retest of it, turning that level to a support level. Then would get what? The good buys, get the good bullish continuation on this index. So everything's looking nice. The buyers are coming to the market little by little. So I was able to take advantage of this wonderful short-term buy opportunity, because we could see possible reactions on these zones, on our zones, like this zone here and this one at this point. So that's this, guys. Always spot these reversal pattern formations, always spot the market levels, always identify the market trend whenever you're looking out for trade opportunities using price action market approach. It would help with your prediction. So for more trade breakdowns, like and market analysis, do well to smash the like button and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to the channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support. Please engage in my videos. Chilling me a lot, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day.